If you're looking for best air blowgun, this video is for you. Here are a collection you gotta see. Let's get started. Number 5. Gardner 80WJ Air Blowgun. First safety air gun to incorporate exclusive whisper jet nozzle technology to reduce air gun noise 6 to 20 dB compared to conventional safety air guns. Solid conical tip prevents blockage of nozzle. Ideal for cleaning benchtops, workstations, or machinery in noise-sensitive areas. Features ergonomic, classic pistol grip style handle for maximum user comfort. Reduce air gun noise. Ideal for cleaning benchtops, workstations, or machinery in noise-sensitive areas. OSHA compliant. Nozzle limits static pressure to less than 30 psi should the tip become blocked. Ergonomic handle. Pistol grip style handle provides maximum user comfort for short or extended periods of cleaning. Convenient hanging hook. Safely store your safety air gun when not in use. Durable and rugged. Constructed with a cast aluminum body, is ideal for the toughest applications and to move the heaviest debris. Number 4. Amazon Basics Air Blowgun. Great for maintenance. This handy collection of reliable maintenance tools makes personal or commercial projects that much easier. 7-piece set. The toolkit includes 7 different parts and accessories that allow you make the most of your existing air compressor. Dynamic use. Featuring a durable cast aluminum construction and interchangeable parts, the air gun kit is a dynamic, convenient choice. High airflow blowgun kit compatible with 1/4-inch NPT compressors. Cast aluminum body with ergonomic pistol grip and trigger. Large hook for convenient storage. Includes gun attachment and interchangeable accessories including 3 nozzles and 3 extensions up to 9 feet. Extreme flow nozzle moves large volumes of debris, increases volume and velocity of air as needed. Max working pressure 120 psi. Number 3. Camoli Air Blowgun. This high-volume powerful industrial air blowgun with extensible stainless steel airflow nozzle helps you blow dust, water drops, powders, debris and various industrial or household dust or powders cleanup and blow-off operations. Human engineering designed. Metal-made press-to-blow trigger, copper alloy valve screw, strong and rust-resistant, over 650,000 experiments tested. PPS valve control airflow easily by light or heavy push. Standard quick male plug. Standard US quick male fitting, easy and convenient, connects to air compressor with female quick coupling and 360-degree swivel hook, easy for daily use and convenient for placing and storage. Working site dust blow off. High volume airflow, ideal for carpentry workplace and industrial workshop dust or powders blow off. Also for automotive maintenance, car repair shop cleaning work, household blind corner blowing off. Number 2. Nico 31121 Air Blowgun. Application. Operates at a max air pressure of 232 psi, with a working pressure of 90 psi to blow away material residue like debris, dust, and liquids off working area surfaces. Quality. The compressor-powered blowgun exerts high airflow with efficiency by consuming low amounts of air. Convenient. Leverage the long needle nozzle attachment for use in hard-to-reach spaces. Portable. Fits in the palm of your hand with oversized thumb-controlled trigger for precise air control. Durable. Main body frame is constructed of durable aluminum, with a rubberized pistol grip that is ergonomic for easy handling. The Nico 31121 a blowing dust gun operates at a max air pressure of 232 psi and working pressure of 90 psi. Included with the air blowgun are long needle nozzle, 2-inch rod nozzle, round nozzle, and 1/4-inch male plug. Number 1. Capri Tools CP 21350 Air Blowgun. The Capri Tools Windstorm X high-performance air blowgun delivers powerful airflow at 72 CFM. It gives you efficient coverage over large work areas. The OSHA-compliant Ventura nozzle delivers exceptional airflow while meeting OSHA's output pressure safety standards, limiting the air pressure to under 30 psi when the nozzle tip is blocked. Fine-tune the airflow by turning the flow control knob conveniently located above the handle. The air blowgun is constructed with durable aluminum body and comes equipped with an ergonomic contour soft grip and heavy-duty trigger. Includes Venturi turbo nozzle 4.5 in. Nozzle extension for a combined 6.5 in. Nozzle length for those hard-to-reach areas and 1/4 in. High-performance air blowgun delivers powerful airflow up to 2x at 72 CFM, giving you efficient coverage over large work areas. OSHA-compliant Venture nozzle delivers exceptional airflow while meeting OSHA's output pressure safety standards. Control the airflow level by turning the flow control knob conveniently located above the handle. Constructed with durable aluminum body with premium matte finish. Easy to operate with ergonomic contour soft grip and heavy-duty trigger. Airflow control. Control the airflow level by turning the flow control knob conveniently located above the handle. Easy to operate with ergonomic contour soft grip and heavy-duty trigger. The OSHA-compliant Venturi nozzle delivers exceptional airflow while meeting OSHA's output pressure safety standards, limiting the air pressure to under 30 psi when the nozzle tip is blocked.